Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste. I welcome you to Vegetarian Cook with Sara. Our today's recipe will be vegetarian, known as Aash. This is an Afghani recipe. You also can call it noodle soup. Let's go to the ingredients and I'll show you guys how to cook. The ingredients are: I have used here gluten-free spaghetti, and I use the vegetable oil here. And here I have used the chickpeas, and here I have used the red kidney beans. I've used the fresh cilantro. Here I used 6 cloves of garlic, 2 medium tomatoes, 3 green chilies. So for seasoning, I have used here coriander powder, red chili flakes, black pepper, red chili powder, turmeric, and salt to taste. Here I have separated here 1 cup of garlic and some dry mint with some yogurt, which we'll be using it for the last. And I'll show you guys how to make that. So to make this recipe, I use always my grinder. So I'll add all the tomato in this, and the green chili, the garlic, now make a puree with this. So here the puree is ready. Let's go to the cooking part. So here I'm using a large pot for this recipe. You need a large pot because we will be adding a lot of water into that. So here the pot is ready. It's warm enough to add the oil. I'm adding the oil. Now it's time to add the tomato, garlic. Cook this, guys, until the oil is out of tomato and tomato is ready. So keep cooking it. I'm going to keep it in high flame. Here the tomato is ready. The oil is out. This is how it should look like. And it's time to add all the seasoning. Mix it, stir it well. Cook it for a minute. Now it's time to add water. Here I have used 3 cups of water in the jar. So we will be needing more water, but for now I'm only using 3 cups. Keep it in high flame. Let the water be boiled. And we will add our kidney beans and the chickpeas. Here the water is boiling. Now it's time to add the chickpeas. Here I'm adding the kidney beans and the spaghetti. Here the size of spaghetti I'm gonna make will be about 2-inch, cut it in small pieces. Stir it well. Here I have one. Here I'm going to use another jug of water, as I mentioned earlier that we will be needing more water. Let this boil, then we will add the rest of ingredients. Here it's boiling and now it's time to add the rest of ingredients. I'll be adding the cilantro. And here I will be adding the dried mint. I will keep some for my yogurt on the side. Yeah, mix it well. Now I will leave this to cook and get the yogurt ready. So now it's time to make our yogurt recipe, and I have here used this yogurt, and I will add some water into this. Oops. Oopsie oopsie. Stir it well. This is how it looks like. So all the lumps are gone. It's very smooth now. See? And now I will add the dry mint. And salt to taste. And here I have 1 cloves of garlic that I will go through this and add into this. And stir everything well, mix it well. It's that easy. It's a piece of cake, but it tastes really good. And now once our noodle soup or our ash is ready, I will add this into that. It's ready. It's time to check the ash, so let's see how it looks and if it's ready or not. It looks ready to me. And let me check the noodles or the ash. Yes, it's soft. So at this point, I will add some yogurt. I'm gonna lower the flame, and I'm gonna add some of the yogurt that I made and showed you how to make it earlier. This is optional. You don't have to add it into this. You can directly add this yogurt into your ash or noodle soup in your own bowl, but I love to add it this way. Mix it up. Here, our ash and noodle soup is ready. It's time to serve it. So my ash is ready. I'm gonna taste it now. It is so tasty. It's yummy, worth trying. I will just add some more yogurt into this. If you think you need to add some yogurt or more salt, please feel free. Make it as per your taste. Now my ash is ready. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to subscribe and hit thumbs up. And for those who did subscribe to my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate it a lot. See you guys to my next video. Till then, take care and be safe.